Hello everyone. So now we want to demonstrate FactoryMind AI, Pibythree's AI-powered manufacturing intelligence accelerator. Manufacturing organizations generate enormous volume of operational data across ERP systems, MES, SCADA, production lines, quality systems, maintenance platform, and energy monitoring solutions. While this data is available, it often remains fragmented across multiple systems, making it difficult for leadership to gain a unified operational view. FactoryMind AI brings all manufacturing intelligence into a single AI-powered platform, providing real-time visibility into production performance, machine health, quality energy consumption, and operational efficiency. Rather than simply displaying dashboards, the platform explains operational events, predict potential issues, and help manufacturing teams make more proactive decisions before problems impact the production. Let's begin by logging into the FactoryMind AI. The platform supports secure enterprise authentication with role-based access for plant manager, operational teams, maintenance engineers, quality teams, and executive leadership. Once authenticated, every user receives a personalized operational view based on their responsibility. This is the executive manufacturing dashboard. From a single screen, leadership can monitor the health of every manufacturing facility, including production, performance, equipment availability, quality metrics, maintenance status, and energy utilization. Instead of waiting for end-of-the-day reports, executive receives live operational intelligence that highlights areas requiring immediate attention. At the top of the dashboard, we present the key operational KPIs. This include overall equipment effectiveness, production throughput, machine utilization, production targets versus actual output, quality performance, downtime, and energy consumption. More importantly, FactoryMind AI continuously analyzes these metrics, identify deviation, and prioritize operational risk before they become production issues. Let's move into the production intelligence. Here we can monitor manufacturing performance in real time across production lines, plant, batches, and products as well. Operation teams can compare plan production with actual output, identify the bottlenecks, analyze production efficiency, and immediately detect areas affecting overall manufacturing performance. This enables plant managers to improve productivity while maintaining operational consistency across multiple manufacturing locations. One of the most valuable capabilities of this product is predictive maintenance. Rather than performing maintenance only after equipment fails, FactoryMind AI continuously analyzes machine health indicators to predict potential failure before they occur. We have several filters according to the health of the machines delivered. Engineers receive early warnings about abnormal equipment behavior, estimate remaining useful life, and maintenance recommendations according to the maintenance history. This significantly reduces unplanned downtime while improving equipment reliability and production continuity. Next is quality intelligence. Product quality directly impacts manufacturing cost, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. FactoryMind AI continuously monitors inspection data, identifies defect patterns, perform root cause analysis, and highlights production conditions that contribute to quality issues. Instead of investigating defects after the production is completed, quality teams receive immediate insights that help prevent the recurring problems. Another important capability of the platform is energy and sustainability intelligence. Manufacturing organizations are increasingly focused on reducing energy consumption and improving sustainability. The platform continuously tracks electricity consumption, production energy efficiency, and emissions and operating costs across every plant. By correlating production performance with energy usage, organizations can identify optimization opportunity while supporting sustainability objectives for their use cases. An AI efficiency recommendation helps them to correlate the production scenarios into the platform itself. FactoryMind AI also includes an enterprise AI Copilot. Rather than navigating multiple dashboards, user can ask business questions using natural languages. For example, So the AI analyzes manufacturing data, explain the underlying causes, and provide recommendations that help operational teams to make decisions faster. In addition to operational monitoring, FactoryMind AI provides centralized alerts and advanced analytics. Critical operational events, equipment anomalies, quality deviation, and production exceptions are automatically highlighted, enabling faster responses across manufacturing operations. Interactive reports help leadership monitor long-term trends while supporting continuous operational improvements across the entire manufacturing system. To summarize, FactoryMind AI transforms fragmented manufacturing data into actionable operational intelligence. By combining production intelligence, predictive maintenance, quality analytics, sustainability monitoring, executive dashboards, and conversational AI, the platform enables manufacturers to improve productivity, reduce downtime, optimize the quality, and make faster operational decisions. Thank you.